Welcome to the channel all. You guys better hit that thumbs up button. We flew through a hurricane to get here last night. Lightning, thunder, insane. Hurricane Helene just passed through. And we are peacock bass fishing on the East Coast. So East Coast didn't get hit as bad, but flying through from Indiana was pretty brutal. So stay tuned guys, let's catch some fish. Live shiners, free lining. We're gonna catch some fish today. Peacock bass, cichlids. That's pretty much on the goal. Let's go. Well, I didn't expect that already. Didn't even know I had one. Let's see if we can get him to be landed. There we go. Peacock one. That's right. First fish, little peacock. One fish down. One fish down, guys. You guys, oh my gosh, they're busting. We got to get back in there. You guys better smash that like button. Come on now. We are in Florida. Let's go. There we go. We are hooked up, fish number 2. Beautiful. Another peacock. PPs. There you go. First peacock that we're getting on that camera. Nice. All right, guys. Now that we've been out here for a few minutes and kind of proved what's going on, super light line, number 2 hooks, and we're just free lining these baits. Birds are going crazy, airboats are going crazy, but we've caught a few fish, so I'm very excited. Are you shitting me? I just caught a dang turtle. And I don't really understand how I'm supposed to get him off of there. How in the world? Oh. He's probably gonna claw the hell out of my net too, which is no good. That doesn't happen very often. I just hooked a turtle. Nice. On a freaking jerkbait. And that line's bouncing like that. You've either got a really good bait, which I think I do because he's going to shore, or he's getting chased by a big old fish. Sure, it's hard to see, but that line's doing a lot of dancing right now. For post-hurricane, it's okay. I'll take it. Anything's better than nothing. We flew a long ways to catch something, so just want to catch a couple. There we go, baby. We got us hooked up with one, and that's a nice peacock right here for sure. need him to stay on for me. This net's kind of ridiculous, but it does work. Aha, that's our first pretty colored one. That's what I like to see. There you go, guys. Check out that smoke show. That is a very, very pretty fish. Absolutely gorgeous. I think we're gonna go ahead and release it. Such a fun fish here. Love them. Back in. Nice. Ooh, pulling a little drag here. I like that. A lot of drag. This might be a better fish. First fish to pull drag today. This is a big fish. This is a really big fish. They love going to that structure. That's a nice peacock. Go, baby. In the net. Haha. Yes, sir. That's a big boy. There you go. What a beautiful fish. Another one down. And here we go, baby. Is it a peacock? I'm gonna guess it is, but who knows? It's so fun, you just watch a real light, really, really subtle tap. Here comes the big old net. Little pea, but we got him. Another one, on deck. Come on, baby. That's what I like to see. And I love when it's a perfect hook set right in the top of the mouth. Cool, guys. It's too fun. Another awesome, beautiful fish here. So cool. There you go. Fun little one. Birds chirping. We're gonna toss them back now. Good deal. Absolutely awesome. Hope you guys are enjoying this little Everglades adventure. It is very, very windy, so I apologize for the wind noise, but if you look over there, all of that is the edge of like the hurricane coming through, more tropical storms. So they said until 11. Let's check and see what time it is. Problem is a lot of that's going north, so it's really hard to tell. 10, 12, so we're thinking like 45 minutes maximum. Hopefully we catch some more fish. If not, we got a couple cool ones, and we got one really big, like decent fish. So we get some more baits in the water. Let's keep fishing. Lessons I've learned coming down here to the Everglades. Airboats are loud. You can never run two poles, because the second you throw the second one and you get a bite at the first one, that's monstrous, and then you never hook it all the way. And the third is always close your bait bucket, because these things behind me will absolutely destroy your bait bucket if you leave it open. They'll just jump right in there and grab every bait you have. And by the time you notice, they're all gone. Every last one of them. It's happened. Not today. I got the lid closed, I think. So back to fishing. Was it the second it landed I get nailed by a pea? I think it's a peacock. So hard to run two baits at once. Yes, I'm running light drag. You don't have to roast me in the comments. I know it's light drag. There's a reason for it. It's like an 8-pound monofilament, and these things have pretty sharp teeth. So if they swallow it, I don't want to put a ton of tension on those teeth. Another one down. Cool. Oh, it's raining. Damn it. It's getting really dark. Well, it started raining. Another one down. Large lip. And this right here, this is a perfect example of why the Everglades is in bad shape, because of these peacock bass. The largemouth can't compete hardly at all. Gonna give him a freebie. Hopefully he'll finish her off, but you know, just doing your part, baby. Doing your part. Peacock, baby. Another one down. Gosh, that storm's coming in quick. It's loud out here. Well, I suppose that might be it. We're gonna give it a second to see if it lights up any. But it's picking up quick. It's not 11 either. So originally said it was gonna start at 12, now it's 10:30. I think that's gonna be it. It's absolutely dumping rain. We are getting poured on. Let's go. It's raining pretty hard now. The hurricane is here. Part of it. We bought tickets months and months ago, didn't want to lose out on, so we're here, we're making the best of it. I'm actually debating on going back out there, just because why not, right? I'm already soaking wet. I mean, I am sopping wet. As wet as you could possibly be. Oh, I love it. The head camera because it's just too much rain. This way I can just point this one away from the rain and still catch a fish. So 2 baits left. Hopefully we get at least one more, but there you go. It's pouring out here, so maybe the audio's trash as well, but I don't know. Another one down. This is a pretty good sized fish. I think it's a peacock. Yeah, really nice peacock. That's awesome. Let's see if we can get him up. Yes. Yes, baby. That's why you keep sticking it out. Yes. This is, oh, guys. This is a jumbo. Check out that stud. That is an awesome, awesome fish there, guys. Hope you guys can truly get a good understanding of how beautiful and powerful this fish is just by a couple quick videos of it. Such a fun fight here. Awesome. Hoping you guys can see it okay. Everything, such a pretty fish. And we're gonna release it now. That's the best part of fishing. Watching them go, watching them grow. It's amazing. We're at a new dock right now. I have 1 dead bait left. I don't know if I'll throw it. I'm just retying a hook in case I see like an Oscar or something. They usually will eat dead baits. Peacocks don't really eat dead stuff. But yeah, lesson learned. Work around a little bit, see if you can find some fish. Yeah. That's such an awesome bite. Incredible. I'm shocked we got that, but I will take it. Another key thing out here, you need these polarized sunglasses. If we didn't have these, I doubt I would have seen it. I was actually tossing at an Oscar and a peacock came out of nowhere, so the peacocks really aren't up shallow today. They're down a little bit deep, but they don't hesitate to come get a nice bait when they see one. What in the world? That's a big old tilapia or something like that. That's different. Pretty sure that's some kind of tilapia. There it is. So I found out that he likes super hard jerks. He loves that hard and nasty stuff. Just got to get him to come in. He's right there. He just keeps backing up on me. Gosh dang it. He's so close. There he is. Got him. Finally. Come on, stick with me for a second. That's an absolutely gorgeous peacock bass. That's what we're looking for, just a little bit bigger. Well guys, we ended up switching to artificial for a few minutes and we caught some, so. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. A lot of fun to come out here and just get poured on, but you know, we caught some fish today. And not only did we catch some peacocks, but we caught a few pretty quality ones. So day one in Florida, pretty good, successful. The rest of the afternoon, we're probably just gonna relax, maybe go swimming, try to stay out of the rain, do some shopping, go have some good food, whatever it is. And then tomorrow, probably come back out here would be my guess, or try one other spot and do some peacock bass fishing again, kind of the same thing. And then we go home. Just a quick 2-day trip, but got pretty much 2 mornings to do some fishing. The sky looks like it's clearing up, but there's one more storm coming in, and I'm gonna guess it's 30 to 40 minutes west of here. So I'm gonna head out now before we get blasted by this airboat and the rain. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.